Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix screen share audio not working on Discord. Right, so first of all, of course, open up your Discord server, and then you should see this little share your screen button here. And now you can basically select your screen or application. So what you need to do here is to select the right application or screen that audio is not working, and then go live. Right, and if the problem persists, what you need to do here is to go to user settings and then go to as you can see here, the video and voice and video. And some people fix this issue by basically input and output device making to the microphone, for example, you're using, and switching to default. Same with output device, switch to default again, and then scroll down to as you can see here, screen sharing option here. It should be here, and make sure to toggle off on using experimental method to capture audio from application. So toggle this off and then on again, and also make sure that audio subsystem is on legacy. And after you select this, then basically Discord should restart and the problem should be fixed. But if it's not, then the last thing that you can do here is to go to device manager, go to audio inputs and outputs, and make sure to update your microphone and your output device. So right click on it, update driver, and search automatically for drivers. Same thing with your output device as well, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.